Hello and welcome to Kiasa's how-to videos. In today's video, we'll be looking at this heater, which is the TBE version and the HB version. And we'll be looking at connecting the Wi-Fi if you have lost connection via this particular remote. So if you've received this remote and this heater, we will be looking at steps of how to connect this to your internet and your Wi-Fi app that is either Tuya or Smart Life. In an event where you have changed your router or simply lost the Wi-Fi connection to your app on this unit, we can do that by resetting the Wi-Fi. And in order to do that, we'll be using the remote control, and we're going to be pressing two buttons in sequence, which is set and down. That will get the Wi-Fi symbol flashing, which means it's in pairing mode and it's reset the Wi-Fi settings. And then we can go to the app and just go through the process, which I will show you shortly, how to connect it. So first of all, let's reset the Wi-Fi by pressing the two buttons in sequence, which is set and down. And if you press it, and every time you press it, you will hear a beep. And within a few seconds, what you'll see is the Wi-Fi symbol, which starts flashing like so. Now, once that is in flashing mode, we have put the system into pairing mode. And now we will switch to the app in order to go through the connection of the heater. So on your smart device, we need to ensure a couple of things have been activated. So we need to make sure our location and Bluetooth is active. This is an Android device, so in the Apple, make sure you can do the same. Once you do that, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Tuya app. In this case, we're using the Tuya. We're going to press the plus button. We're going to go add device. At this point, it will bring up the heater like so, as you can see. And we'll just press that button up to make sure we can bring up the information. We are going to just populate the password in here, and then we'll move forward and we'll show you what we need to do. Once you've entered the password, it will then go to this point where it's going to be circling and it's trying to pair it with the unit. And at this point, once it's actually done, it will come back saying it is now paired, and you will have full control of the unit. And there you go. We have now connected the heater successfully. At this point, you could then rename the heater if you wish, as usual. Then you can just press the button there, and then we can just type in a demo office unit or whatever you would like to call it to make sure you can identify this on your app. Demo heater in this case we have, and then we're just going to say done. And once that's done, you can see you can press the done button at the bottom, and it will bring you to the screen to say you are now connected to the heater. And at this point, we have current temperature at 24 and it's sitting up there. So in order to use it, you can just increase the required temperature higher than the current temperature. That will put the heater back on. As you can see, now it's saying heating. And if it's now lower than your current temperature, as you can see, there's no heating, we'll switch the heater off. And you've got your various options down here where you can use your scheduling, your timers, and switch the system on and off by just simply going through these options. So here we have it. We have the TBE version and the HB version where you can connect your Wi-Fi back up, reset the Wi-Fi, connect it to the Tuya or Smart Life, whichever app you would like to use, and have this back online and a full control from your phone. Thank you.